Assalamu alaikum. My name is Neelam. Today we discuss another topic of unit number 4, that is joints. So first we discuss the basic what is meant by joint. A joint is an articulation between two bones in the body and are broadly classified by the tissue which connect the bones. The three main types of joint are synovial, mean movable joints; cartilaginous means slightly movable joints; and fibrous means immovable joints. Fibrous joints have fibrous tissues joining the bones, and these joints are typically very much strong. So, a joint is a place where two or more bones meet. Joint allow us to move or show different type of locomotions or movements. Types of joints. There are three types of joint. Number one is fixed joint or immovable joints, slightly movable joints or cartilaginous, movable joints or synovial. So three types हैं. First is known as fixed, slightly movable and movable. First we discuss the immovable joints that are also known as fibrous joints. When no movements occur between the bones concerned, the joint is described as fibrous or fixed or immovable. The bones are held in place by fibrous connective tissue. It is very difficult to damage this type of joints, and these joints are present in the skull at sutures. Joints of the body that are fixed joint or immovable joint, and they are present in the skull and they do not show any type of movement. Next is the cartilaginous joint or slightly movable joints. These joints are held in place by cartilage which allow slightly movement to occur. Examples include the junction at two pelvic bones, the joint between the ribs and the sternum. Look at this diagram. This diagram shows the slightly movable joints or cartilaginous joint, and these joints are present in the pelvic girdle and in the ribs or sternum. Third type of joint is known as movable joint or synovial joints. The amount of movement possible is limited by ligaments, muscles, tendons, and adjoining bones. These joints are also known as synovial joints or movable joints. They occur at the shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, hip, knee, ankle, and toes. So look at the joint that is present in your knee, joint cavity, articular cartilage, synovium, and capsular ligament. Types of movable joints or synovial joints are ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, gliding joint, and saddle joints. But in your class we only discuss the first two types of movable joints, that are ball and socket joint and hinge joint. Ball and socket joint. This joint forms when the spherical head of one bone fit into a cup-like cavity of another. The head of the humerus, that is your bones, fit into a depression in the scapula. The head of the femur articulate with the pelvis. So look at this. Femur bones attach to the pelvic bones, and second type of movable joint is hinge joint. This joint allow movement in one plane only. They form when the convex surface of one bone fit into the concave surface of the other. Elbow and the knee also occurs at the ankle and between the bones of the finger. So hinge joints जो हैं ये आपको सिर्फ एक ही डायरेक्शन में मूवमेंट शो करते हैं. ये कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है? एल्बो में, नी में, एंकल में and between the bones of finger. So look at this diagram. It is a diagram of your elbow joints in which humerus attach with radius and ulna. Hinge joints, movement at joint in one direction like a door. Example, knee and elbow. Next we discuss the role of tendons and ligament. These are also known as connectors of the body. Ligaments connect bones to bones. Tendons attaches muscle to bones, and cartilage act as a cushion between bones at a joint and protect the bones. So today our topic is about joints, in which we discuss joints and different types of joint, and next we discuss the types of movable joints, that is ball and socket joint. And I hope so you can understand the topic very well. Thank you very much for your cooperation.